Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Volvo remote key fob. First, what we need to do is remove the emergency blade out the bottom of the key. We do this by sliding this little mechanism over here so it releases the catch and the blade can come out. Now we need to remove this half of the case here so we can access the key fob battery. We're using the blade itself. Just pop it down there, down the gap, and just prise the case apart. And there you go. There is your key fob battery. Now, using a small screwdriver, we just get it underneath the battery and we just furk it out of its home like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2450, something like this one here. We just get our new key fob battery and we just simply pop it back into its home, making sure that the writing is facing upwards so we know it's in its correct location. And it's just time to pop it back together. So we just pop the case back on, make sure everything lines up. We just click it in place. Now we just pop the blade back. There you go, it's all done.